Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can transfer cryptos from Coinbase to crypto.com. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, you have to log in into your crypto.com, and once you're logged into your account, you have to tap on trade in the top left corner of your screen. As you tap on it, there's a drop-down menu. So from there you have to tap on deposits since we're receiving the cryptos. So once again, there's a drop-down menu. So from there you have to tap on cryptos since we are receiving cryptos. So on this page you have to select the crypto that you're receiving. So you have a multiple options, so then select it accordingly. So once you tap on the crypto that you're receiving, you'll have the wallet address, and once you have the wallet address you have to copy it down, and once you're done copying the wallet address you have to log in into your Coinbase account. And as soon as you're logged into your Coinbase account, you have to tap on trade icon located right at the bottom. You can see there's a drop down menu, and under it there are a list of options. So from here you have to tap on send and make sure that you've selected the correct crypto. So once you're done selecting the crypto that you want to transfer, after that you have to enter the wallet address that you've copied recently. So once you're done entering the wallet address, now on this page you have to enter the amount of crypto that you want to transfer, and once you're sure about it, tap on continue. And after that, once again, in order to verify, you have to double check all of the information that you've provided, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm, and then you've successfully transferred cryptos from your Coinbase account to your crypto.com. So that was all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.